Her last question was about some YouTube channels that deals with cooking, and these are picking up momentum nowadays. Unfortunately, people with the lockdown have nothing to do but to watch these videos and then make delicious meals, and the men get fatter and the women are fat by default, and it adds to their problems. Anyhow, if they do the proper exercising, they watch their diet and they eat healthy, there's no problem. She says, there is music and there might be showing off the hands, and sometimes the woman herself come. So can I watch this? If you mute the music, you're a female, so watching women cooking, there's no problem in that. Can I share it? If it has music, it is not permissible for you to share, because you will not guarantee that people would mute the music like you had done. Can I like it? The answer is, if it has haram, definitely not, because liking it is endorsing it. And we as Muslims should not endorse it. Yes, we may benefit from it if it's a good meal and a good recipe while staying away from haram, but this does not justify us sharing it with others, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.